Completed the add attendance details form. Now we are going to create the form for edit or delete attendance details. To do that, we are going to copy the existing group box and paste it. Right click and copy the group box and paste the group box in the remaining place. Paste. Now we have the group box copy. We can change the contents of this group box. Add attendance details. Remove the text and change it to edit or delete attendance details. Or delete attendance details. The same thing, we have to change the text for the label. Change the text. Edit or delete attendance. Now we have changed the text. Select the registration number, we have to change. Enter. Enter registration number and date. Now the first one is registration number, the second one is date, but instead of the text box we have to provide a combo box. Delete the text box, copy the combo box and paste the combo box. Date. We have to place a button to get the present absent details of the particular date. Copy the button and paste it. Get details, change the text to get details. Change the text to get details. Morning and evening. We need two buttons. One is edit attendance details and another one is delete attendance details. Copy the button and paste it. Change the text to edit attendance details. And change the text to delete attendance details. We have to change the enter attendance details, add attendance details button to save attendance details. We have not changed it. Now we have to change. That's all. We have completed the design for the attendance form. Save the form. Thank you for watching.